Hi Sridhar, Manya this side. Thank you for teaching us this course. It was quite the mindset shift and the push that I needed. We'll never forget about customer obsession. Thank you again.
And you gave me the space to understand. You gave me the space to cry, and you made the person behind the entrepreneur.
You made me laugh. You made me understand. You taught me founder product problem market.
Hello Sridhar, I just wanted to say thank you for taking this course. I only have 20 seconds, but this is not an elevator pitch, but I would like to say that I'm just very glad I took this course. Thank you for marketing it to me, and thank you for making me your customer, because I hope that I was able to give back in the same way that you have taught us all so much. Thank you so much.
Hi, Professor. Usually I'm very happy when a course is over, but this is a bittersweet one because, yeah, sure, I'm happy it's over, but the kind of people that you brought, the kind of conversations that I've had on this course, the people that I've met, students and everyone, it has kept me grounded. So, yeah, thank you so much for everything.
Hi Sridhar, I'd really like to thank you for the time you spent outside class and office hours with me. You've really made me think and push myself out of my comfort zone in a lot of aspects of life that I neglected. I was just really focused on my academic and professional life, and really thank you so much for that.
Hi Sridhar, I didn't just attend your class, I subscribed to a mindset upgrade. You made us think, not just learn. You treated us like customers, but gave us a way that was more valuable than what we paid for. Your Hatke mindset, infectious. Your last class, legendary. From one happy customer to the coolest PE investor I'll ever meet. Thank you so much. This thing was for sure full paisa vasool.
Hello Sridhar, Karan here. Thank you so much for encouraging us to learn and setting us a step above where we were just 4 months ago. And it's been an honor to learn, but also an extreme pleasure to interact with the outside class and talk about so many fun and philosophical things. Thank you so much.
Hi Sridhar, 2 years ago I met you and I think my life has taken a 360 turn ever since that, and I couldn't be more eternally grateful for all your support and all your guidance, and I hope that our relationship just even grows more and becomes better. Thank you so much for being who you are for all of us. Lots of love and lots of wishes.
Thank you, Sridhar, for the course. I know you don't like being called professor, but honestly, you're a fantastic one. Thank you so much. I learned so much from you.
Hi Sridhar, thank you very much for this course. This easily ranks as my top 1 course at Ashoka. The biggest takeaway from the course is how the 10 investment terms that we learned in class would help us conquer the business world as well as our own lives. So thank you very much for being our mentor and our dear friend throughout the semester.
Hi Sridhar, thank you so much for being an amazing, phenomenal mentor and guide to me for the last 3 semesters now. And thank you for making us your customers of life and investing so much time with all of us at Ashoka. I'm sure we'll give you an amazing ROI on your investment in some time in the future. Thank you so much.
Risk, return, investment, mindset. I think those have been my greatest learnings from this course. Regardless to say, there's obviously so many things that none of us knew about the field of private equity, investments, venture capital, and so on. But I think what I've learned from Professor, and I wish to imbibe that in myself, is his mindset. I think I've seen that in the numerous amount of office hours that I booked with him. 3 office hours that I booked with him throughout the semester. And every time he was just able to pick up my energy and sort of give me a response that directly alluded to that. It was just what I needed to hear, is what I mean to say. And I think what I really appreciate and wish to take away from Professor is his customer obsession. Even after all these years, he has his set of veterans and professionals in their respective fields who come and talk to us. Every other week we had amazing speakers, so I think I just had so much practical knowledge to take out from this course. I'm really grateful for Professor for that.
Hi Sridhar, this has been one of the most informative courses that we've taken over the last 2 years at Ashoka, and I think even school as well haven't learned as much compared to what we learned in the last 3 months.
Thank you for being such a fun and approachable professor.
Bye bye, see ya.
Thank you so much, Sridhar, for making this course such a fun and exciting learning experience. Really loved every moment of this journey. Once again, thank you so much.
Hi Sridhar! Are you surprised to see us together? I hope not, since our first office hours was also together.
I just want to thank you for making us both individual group leaders because it really helped us to hone our leadership skills.
We have to admit, as first years, we were kind of skeptical of taking this course, but thank you so much for helping us build the muscle and actually stick with this course because we learned so much and we're so grateful for the opportunity that we've gotten through this course to be group leaders, manage everything, and yeah, we look forward to staying in touch and applying all your frameworks IRL.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
In a classroom so bright, there was a professor, a shining light, with a smile on his face and a heart full of care. He taught us founder problem, product market valuation, exit strategy, and a risk mitigation. He sparked our imagination right from the start. With patience and kindness, he guided our way, helping us grow and learn and play. He showed us the world both near and far, opening our minds like a twinkling star. His words were like magic, making us believe that we could achieve whatever we conceived. So, here is to our professor, so smart and so fun. For the entire semester, whatever we have done, in our hearts, you will forever shine bright. Our professor, our friend, our guide.